Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel, I'll leave for you a link down below because on my channel I have not only violin lessons but also beginner theory lessons. Also, don't forget subscribe and press the bell. Like this you will get a notification when new lesson waiting for you. But usually every Wednesday you can find something new on my channel. Every beginner violin player at one point asking his teacher or his violin player's friends why we need Rosin, what Rosin does, and why I have to apply on the bow this Rosin each time when I'm about to play. To be able to produce sound from our violin, you have to apply on your bow hair Rosin, no matter if you have natural hair or synthetic hair. Now these days we have so many brands of violin rosin, so many recipes. Summer rosin, winter rosin, harder, softer rosin, lighter rosin, darker rosin. First of all, winter and summer rosin, not really sure anymore. All rosins these days, they are friendly to any weather or season of the year. Second, light or dark rosin. Dark rosin is soft and sticky rosin, very good for cold weather and also very good for synthetic or gut strings. Light rosin, harder rosin, and very good for tropical climate, and also very good for steel strings. Good quality rosin will help you to develop more nicer sound, better quality sound. But for beginner violin players, there is no need to buy very expensive rosin. If indeed you really want to purchase rosin like this, remember, if you have violin strings and bow for beginner players, good professional rosin won't help you so much. So don't try to find easier way to play on violin. At the end, main role of rosin is to connect bow hair with violin strings and then help you with better sound. So my first suggestion to you will be, take your bow not in the right hand, take it in the left hand. Why? Because when we are applying rosin when we are applying rosin like this, sometimes the dust from rosin can get to our left hand fingers, and then it's very uncomfortable to play violin because you feel sticky and it's very unpleasant feeling. So what I say, better take your bow in the left hand, like this our left hand is protected, and take your rosin in the right hand. Then place your thumb right here on the frog, but don't place it on the hair, like this you will make it dirty. So place it exactly here on this metal thing on your frog. So like this, we won't hit with this metal thing our rosin and it won't crack. And do it just like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Don't do so many movements and don't try to apply so much of rosin because also it won't help you so much, and in the end you will have so much rosin dust on your violin. Also, I hope you noticed that I was continuously doing this movement. Why we should do it like this? So when we are doing movement like this, we are consuming our rosin equally. and you won't have any gaps in it. Don't forget to apply rosin every time before start to play or before performance as well. Don't forget to wipe the rosin dust from your violin and the bow stick, because rosin dust affecting violin sound, destroying the polish on the violin and on the bow. So to prevent that, take some clean, very soft cloth and wipe it every time after you're practicing, after your set or after your performance. It is also better if you're using every year a new rosin, because otherwise, let's say, rosin losing all good vitamins for our bow hair. But if you will use rosin every time before you about start play, you don't have to worry about anything. In general, rosin is very individual thing, because some people they like dark, some light, some people like softer rosin, some people darker rosin. Also there is preferences in special brand. Professional violin players all the time trying to find this perfect combination for their violin strings and the bow and the rosin, so all together it has to be perfect combination, and that combination is unique and special for each violin player, for each violin, for each bow and for the strings. Don't get me started on shoulder rest and the chin rest. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell, like this you will learn something new and even more. Bye!